동심 냠제기 삼지쇼의 철지도 근데 가서 내주 고마타도 신부담라 포함이 됨시하다 슈리 손부터야 삼수다야 남사 제외에 다 다루는 것도 중범부터 마카시지 슈레야 근데 쇼가 뒤져네 뭐라나 냠도 처치 의리기권의 상세다 choga jeba daya tosina in samatu tatuwa myoya da roba myoya da me magoba riti ina ta roba chen pya yamr so la ya in sa yamar sebje le na war sa gen na ji me so de so ya de de in sebje maji in ngege shimbunda lo mutini wa mera 가서를 지주 발도의 집이 동안에 전에 단주기 대상도 도부산이 고만토에 고만면다 슈르 섬부터라 개진 발전담지 신의 묘드 세레스 내매 삼대담지 개
那种哈姑娘也不恰恰是那种公巴跌度的是那的公巴干嘛呗？路下你看那个是那是鸦片也不恰恰是那都是叫顶，我觉得你公巴是都公巴被路就是哎呀我点都，你看那哈姑娘有时候估计的那样，你公巴的要着就是那个时候是会估计都就是，前面都的估计都就是，就这个的那把就么的都是呀，就当时都估计都就是，看那个，他的那呀天天估计你公巴的是那罗那学。Sinanda ta combat tanya ku dem du khona nam inde de shada kuna shu ne men de ten kuna shu men du ine en la kuna gang pa je mi wa ma shu yo ta en la shil me jin phe sha sum ba ni me cha ba sum ba kuna zu ku to ji si.
This morning in Tibet, a 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck Dingdi County outside Shigatse. More than 125 people are dead, with hundreds more injured, and the numbers continue to rise.
But even in mourning, as bodies are being pulled out of the rubble, the Tibetan people are being forced to fight for their very identity.
China is exploiting this moment to further its plan to replace the actual name, Tibet, with their imposed colonial propaganda term, Xizang.
Outrageously, many major news outlets across the world, including The Guardian and AFP, are supporting the CCP's erasure of Tibet and using this colonial term in their reporting.
This shows just how quickly and how dangerously China's propaganda can infiltrate the world. These institutions, which are supposed to report on this tragedy, are now actually perpetuating China's colonization of Tibet.
As communities dig through ruins in sub-zero temperatures, as families mourn loved ones, we stand with Tibetans in demanding one simple truth be recognized by the global community. The land that these people are fighting to protect is Tibet. He, Dingri, Togo, Shigatse. Never Xizang.